Several years ago, a group did a study to see the difference between how Western people think and how Eastern people think. As a part of that study, this picture was shown to people in the East and the West. When the researchers asked the people in the West, "Is the boy in the middle happy or sad?" they all agreed that he was happy. When the picture was shown to people in the East and asked if the boy in the middle was happy or sad, they also said that the boy was happy. Then, this picture was shown to the people in the West and again asked, "Is the boy in the middle happy or sad?" And everyone agreed that the boy was happy. The picture was then shown to the people in the East and asked if the boy in the middle was happy or sad, and they all agreed that the boy in the middle was sad. Now, here in the West, when we look at a picture like this, we focus on the boy in the middle, and that's pretty much all we see. We might see the other children in the background, but we focus on the single boy in the middle, and we see that he's smiling, so we would say that he's happy. However, in the East, they look at the whole picture. They see the whole picture, and all they can really see are all the sad children in the background. And they don't focus as much on the boy in the middle. This demonstrates that not everyone in the world thinks the same way that we do. People in different cultures, different countries, have a different philosophy. Their minds work differently than ours do. Now, the ancient Hebrews are classified as Orientals. They have an Eastern perspective of thought. And if we try and read the text from our Western perspective, we're going to misinterpret the text because it was not written from a Western perspective.